Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Touch-Up Pens is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain the pristine condition of their furniture. Scratches, dents, and chips are inevitable, but with the right touch-up pens, you can easily restore your furniture to its former glory. In this video, we'll explore the best touch-up pens available, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and keep your furniture looking its best. Number 5. Furniture Repair Kit, 13-piece wood marker set. Tired of scratches on your furniture? This 13-piece repair kit is your solution. It includes everything you need to fix those imperfections. The kit comes with 6 different colored markers and 6 wax sticks. They are designed to match various wood tones, making it easy to find the perfect match for your furniture. With colors like maple, oak, and mahogany, this kit covers a wide range of wood finishes. Now, you can easily touch up your furniture without calling a professional. These high-quality markers and wax sticks effectively cover scratches and scuffs. The results are permanent, restoring your furniture to its original beauty. Simply apply the marker or wax stick to the damaged area. Watch as the scratches disappear quickly. It's safe for all types of wooden furniture. What we like. This kit offers 6 unique colors, ensuring a good match for your furniture. It's incredibly easy to use, just draw over the scratch and watch it disappear. If you have various furniture pieces with different wood tones, this kit is perfect for achieving a seamless repair. What people say. The pens are easy to use. The color match was perfect. It covered the scratches on my furniture. Number 4. RamPro 17-piece furniture and wood repair kit. This is the perfect set for repairing your furniture. It includes wood markers and wax crayons to fix scratches and blemishes. You can easily find a color that matches your wood. This repair kit matches most wood finishes. The wax crayons are perfect for repairing scratches on hardwood floors. It's designed to seamlessly blend with your existing furniture. The set includes 6 furniture pens with large tips for precise color matching. It also comes with 6 crayon wood stain pens. The variety of colors ensures you'll find the perfect match for your wood. The wood touch-up markers and wax crayons have chiseled tips for smaller spots. The marker covers can be attached to the back to prevent loss and rolling. This design makes it easy to use. This kit is suitable for flooring, furniture, moldings, and other wooden items. It instantly covers blemishes, chips, and nicks on scratched wood. It's great for various wooden surfaces. What we like. This kit stands out with its chiseled tips, allowing for precise application on smaller spots. The inclusion of wax crayons is perfect for hardwood floor scratches. If you're looking for versatility and precision in your repairs, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy to use, look great. Do the job right. This had the perfect colors to fix my TV stand and my dining room table and chairs. The crayon was perfect for covering the chunk of wood that was missing in a much lighter color than the mahogany, so it stood out. I used the crayon, then the marker over it, and now no one can tell there's any damage unless they stare at it. The markers also worked wonders on all the scratches. Number 3. Slobproof 2-pack touch-up paint pen. Introducing the Slobproof touch-up paint pen. This tool makes wall repair easy. It's designed to quickly cover up scuffs and scratches. This paint pen has a refillable design. You can use your own paint for consistent color matching. The fine tip ensures a smooth, flawless finish. The twist control technology allows you to apply just the right amount of paint. It's ideal for quick touch-ups without drips or messes. The sealed design helps maintain paint freshness. It keeps the paint ready for future touch-ups. No need for extra cans or brushes. It's ideal for homes, apartments, rental properties, and dorm rooms. This is a mess-free and simple maintenance solution for everyone. Perfect for parents, homeowners, realtors, renters, and DIY enthusiasts. Fix imperfections on windows, walls, trim, doors, and more. No drop cloth or brushes needed. What we like. This pen features a refillable design, allowing you to use your own paint for a perfect color match. The twist control technology ensures a mess-free application. If you're looking for a convenient and clean solution for quick touch-ups, especially in rentals or homes, you should consider it. What people say. Keeping these in my kitchen drawer is so convenient for my painted cabinets. I moved into a house with older wood cabinets, and because it's such a small kitchen I knew that painting the cabinets white, actually went with cream, would make it feel so much larger. I love the way they look, but inevitably, even though I sanded and prepped, I'll get little chips in the paint. These touch-up pens stay in my junk drawer full of paint at all times. The cap makes it so it never dries out and stays super clean. But I'm able to grab them any time and just touch things up so my cabinets always look fresh. These refillable paint pens are absolutely amazing. I bought them back in October but left them sitting in the package until today, thinking filling them would be a tedious project. Boy, was I wrong. Just syringe the paint into the pen, and you're good to go. These pens make it so much easier. Just label them, store them in the closet, and they're ready when you need them. No more needing to get the pot of paint out for a little touch-up. I have washable paint on the walls, but there are some marks that just won't come out. I filled this with a spare paint and it works a treat. Number 2. Furniture Repair Kit with Markers and Wax Sticks. This kit is designed to make your furniture look brand new. It includes both markers and wax sticks, making it easy to fill scratches and cover imperfections. With this, you can say goodbye to those unsightly marks. Whether it's a table, desk, or bedpost, this kit is ideal for all wooden furniture. It effectively covers scratches, discoloration, and even separation gaps. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. The kit comes with 10 different colors to match your furniture perfectly. From maple to black, you'll find the right shade to blend seamlessly. Now, you can fix your furniture yourself, without calling a professional. These top-quality markers and wax sticks are designed to last. They effectively cover scratches, nicks, and scuffs on various furniture items. The results are 100% effective and permanent. Using this kit is incredibly simple. Just draw over the scratch and let it dry. Watch as the imperfections disappear right before your eyes. It's safe to use on all types of wooden furniture. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, such as a dry or leaking marker, please contact us. We are here to help ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of 10 unique colors, ensuring a close match for your furniture. It includes both markers and wax sticks for versatile repair options. If you have various furniture pieces with different wood tones, this kit is perfect for achieving a seamless repair. What people say. The marker made the scratch blend in, and the wax filled it in perfectly. You cannot tell there were ever any scratches. I would definitely recommend. Covers up many different colors. Worked great on my gray floor as well as brown wood furniture. And did a fantastic job on an espresso dark brown wood that previously probably should have been thrown away. Now at a glance, it looks new. I tested one of the other colors and it was too dark. I tested the crayon on a spot and it worked okay, but the marker was much better. I also used the marker on the cabinet doors below the sink and it worked great there. Number 1. Lifreer 21 PCS Furniture Repair Kit. Tired of replacing furniture or paying high repair costs? Now, you can fix those scuffs yourself. This kit allows you to become the pro and restore your furniture easily. With colors like maple, oak, and walnut, it ensures the closest match to your furniture. This will make your furniture look brand new. These wood stain markers use non-toxic ink, free of harmful chemicals. It dries instantly and covers scratches without smudging. It instantly covers blemishes on various wood surfaces. Use it on furniture, floors, cabinets, and more. Now you can easily fix the damage. Trusted by many DIY enthusiasts, this kit uses a special formula for delicate wood finishes. Plus, it comes with a return and exchange service, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This kit offers 10 unique colors, ensuring a close match for your furniture. The ink is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. If you're looking for a safe and effective solution for repairing your furniture, this is the perfect choice. What people say. There are so many colors you will find your exact match. Any wooden furniture or door with scuffs or small nicks looks like you've refinished them after a couple of minutes of coloring. Does a great job for what I purchased it for. Wanted to hide some scratch marks on my floor and the floor looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.